Start by entering the desired area code to find available phone numbers in that region. Click the search icon to see a list of phone numbers available for purchase with the specified area code. Click the Add to Cart icon to select a phone number for purchase. This helps you keep track of numbers you're interested in. Click the Purchase button to confirm your selection and proceed with buying the phone number. Close the confirmation dialog to return to the main interface and continue managing your purchases. Use the Increment button to increase the number of phone numbers you wish to buy in bulk. Adjust the quantity by clicking the Increment button, ensuring you purchase the desired number of phone numbers in bulk. Click Buy in Bulk to streamline the purchase of multiple phone numbers simultaneously. Confirm the bulk purchase by clicking the Purchase button, ensuring you've selected the right numbers and quantity. Close the Success dialog to finalize the process and prepare for any further actions or purchases.